Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a vintage recipe. It's called Magic Cookie Bars. I've been making these for almost 50 years and my children really enjoyed them when they were little and they still enjoy them today. And I'm doing this Christmas collab with Fallon over on Moss Family TV. We really enjoy her channel and we hope you enjoyed this video. So let me get into making this really good vintage recipe. And the ingredients that I'll be using is honey graham crackers, flaked coconut, semi-sweet chocolate chips, pecans, and Eagle brand milk. And so let me get started on my recipe. Okay, I'm going to be using a 9 by 13 pan, and the first thing I'm going to do is put my graham cracker crumbs in, and this recipe will be in the description below. And then put my butter in. Stir this all up. Mixed up good. Alright, I have my crust made now. You want my hands. So now I'm going to put down my Eagle brand milk. Now then I'm going to put down my chocolate chips. for the top. Okay, so now I'm going to put the coconut down. So now I'm going to put my pecans down. Few chocolate chips on top. I've got my magic cookie bars made now, and so I'm going to be cooking them at 325 degrees for 25 minutes. Okay. My magic cookie bars just got through baking, and they have to come to room temperature, and so when they cool, I'll be back and do the taste test. My magic cookie bars have cooled off now, and so I'm going to cut me out a piece of one. So I can get this one out here. Yeah. It really looks good. Taste of it now. Here's what they look like. Okay. So let me taste of one. Very good. These are delicious. And they're just a real easy, simple little bar to make. And I think if you make this, you'll really enjoy them. They're just a little rich, but that's what desserts are supposed to be. Rich and delicious. I think I'll take another bite. Very good. So, do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great weekend. Bye.